guys, I'm Brittany Rivers and welcome to my channel. So today I'm coming at you all with a brand new wig unboxing. And let me tell you, I don't know if I've ever seen a 300% density wig on Aliexpress or even 300% period. But this should be a 300% 40-inch, what is this, curly, water wave curly lace front wig. And I got the glueless closure version because I'm turning into a closure girly. I'm not trying to work with too much glue whatsoever. So, oh, and you guys, I did buy this wig 100% myself with my own money. This video is not sponsored, so you're going to get my real and raw review. I hope you all enjoy this video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany, and let's get into this video. Wait, first and foremost, I got the 40-inch wig here. This is the 40-inch version, but they actually go up to 50 inches. 50 inches curly, oh, that's probably gonna eat. But I don't know if you all have seen my other videos. My last 50-inch wig, I got snaked, you guys. They played me so bad. So I was scared of 50 inches, so I just got 40. That's really all I was kind of looking for. As long as this wig is true to length, oh, 40 is gonna eat. So let's go to the page. I'm on their Aliexpress page right now. So like I said, they go up to 50 inches. Let me see if it will focus. I don't know if it will, but they do go up to 50 inches. They have 200% density, 250% density, and 300% density. And then for the lace size, they have a 13x4 option. So if you still want a frontal, because I do feel like with curly hair, a frontal eats because you can do a nice flip over or whatever. So they do have the 13x4 lace frontal and then the 13x6 lace frontal, but I got the 7x5 glueless wig. So we'll see what it's giving. So let me see. So the 40-inch, 300% density wig, let me tell y'all, that was it's $213 right now. That's crazy. That is insane. I think it's on sale. But okay, so the 50-inch wig, if you want to be crazy, see, there is a big jump. Once you go over 40 inches, let's see. The jump is like, yeah, it's a nice little jump, I think. But yeah, the 50-inch wig is $368, so almost $400 for a 50-inch. And we're still looking at the 300% density, so it should be thick. But okay, guys, so I know we want to see the wig, so let me go ahead and get into it. As far as the store's name is, I don't know how to pronounce it. It's Gesbesas. Of course, I'm gonna link the wig in the description box. I don't know how to say the name. I'm not even gonna worry about it. But let's go ahead and open this wig and see what she's looking like. Oh, yeah, let's just do it. So it does have some weight to it. I'm excited. It is a wee bit heavy, so I'm excited. So this was like a $200 wig, basically. Let's see. Okay, she looks, what? It looks like somewhat long. It looks somewhat long. Let's see. Ooh, as you can see, I do feel like, okay. So here it is. It is pre-plucked already. The lace is already cut, so it's that nice glueless type of lace. It's that nice, like, thin, glueless type of cut companies do. And then you can also see the lace is really, really thin. It seems like it should be a very, very easy wig to work with. But let's see. Let me take this off the paper thingy. Ooh, this hair also already looks jet black to me. Like, this looks pretty dark. Ooh, look at that curl pattern. The curl pattern is eating. It is absolutely eating. So this is, like, you know, I like a looser curl, so I will say it is giving a looser curl to me. Yep, it smells like real hair. It does smell like hair from any Aliexpress company. Let me show you all. So bam, that is how it looks. So I feel like the knots aren't bleached. I don't believe these knots are bleached. You can't see them to where I feel like you could get away with not bleaching these knots, but I might still bleach the knots a little bit. But look at them. They are really small knots, so it does look good. Let me see if I can get this to focus and move my head. So you can see that the knots aren't really bleached all the way, but if you bleach those knots, I already know it's gonna absolutely eat. And as far as the curl pattern, this is how it's looking. I don't know, should we do the burn test? I'm kind of scared of the burn test just because I don't like playing with the flame. I get so scared. Let me investigate this wig. Okay, guys, let me investigate this wig. Smells good, smells good. So here's the wig. I feel like this is like a 250% density wig though. Like, I wouldn't say it's just giving 300. Well, let me keep breaking it. This is a nice thickness for sure, but is it just 300? I don't know. This is nice though. I am really happy with it. So I say, no matter what wig you get, if you get this wig, get the 300% density just to be safe. Just to be safe, because this is a really nice thickness. But also, when I do have curlier wigs, that's why I was like, you know what, you never know with Aliexpress brands. So I was like, you know what, it's better to be safe than sorry. So I'm like, let me get the thickest thickness I can. And if it's too thick, it's just too thick. Because I do feel like with my curlier wigs, I don't want them to be too thick because it's a lot of hair to manage a lot of times. So that's why I'm like, I don't know. I don't want the thickest hair. But yeah, here it is. I am really tempted to do a burn test, but I'm a wee bit scared. Let's pull out that measuring tape too. Let's go ahead and get that measuring tape out and actually look at this lace on the inside. So the lace is good. It does have an elastic band, and there actually are two little tiny combs here. A tiny comb here and a tiny comb here. I feel like a lot of the wigs I've been getting lately that are supposed to be glueless don't have combs. And if your wig is glueless, like I feel like you need like some type of combs to just like secure it just a little bit. Like, I'm not putting all my faith in this little elastic band, but that's just me. And you can always add your own combs. If you go to the beauty supply, they're like $1. You can just sew them into like the back or the side of the wig whatsoever, if that's your choice. But let's see. Now, I don't know what's going on with Aliexpress. I know I ordered this. I was so scared to order wigs right now because of the tariffs, but I will say Aliexpress wigs usually take me they take like 3 to 4 days to come most of the time. 4 days is a lot. Like, Aliexpress wigs have always come really quickly for me at least. But the wig I ordered, which is this one, this wig I ordered, and this wig, they both took a lot longer than other Aliexpress wigs. So let me see what day I actually ordered this. I ordered this wig May 14th, and it finally came on the 22nd. So that's like, I'm over here, it feels like it's a long time, but that's exactly a week. Yeah, that's exactly a week, you guys. So maybe I'm tripping, but I'm used to Aliexpress wigs taking like 3-4 days. So this is really fast. But yeah, that's something to keep in mind. We are gonna do the burn test. Even though I'm scared to death, we're gonna do the burn test and see if this wig is actually human hair. I'm scared, you guys, but here is the wig. So firstly, I told you guys I was gonna measure, so let's go ahead and get that measuring tape out. So here it is, and unstretched, it's falling at, that don't look too good. I decided to hold it up right here. A lot of companies will hold the measuring tape all the way up here. But you know what, I don't know, guys. It's giving like 30 inches to me. So let's see. Stretched, this hair is giving like 35 inches. So that's 5 inches short. The wig is super affordable, but Aliexpress is just so tricky these days. So I would say get the 300% density. Look, with the glasses, I feel like I really know what I'm talking about. Like, you trust the glasses. I would say get the 300% density, and then also get like 2 to 3 inches like section. So if you want a 40-inch wig, I would say order the 46-inch or something, just so you can be safe and make sure your hair is really long and beautiful. But I guess I'll go ahead and get this lighter and do the burn test, because I'm scared to death. I'm so scared, you guys. I'm scared, but okay, I'll be right back. Okay guys, I got the lighter and I got the scissors. So we're gonna cut a little hair from the back. Whenever I see like jet black hair, I am like a little like, I'm like, what's going on here? Why is this hair black? We gonna see what happens with this hair. So what, we gonna cut off a piece, not too much, nothing too crazy. We got that much hair, you guys. Let's see what happens. I get so scared, you guys. I get so scared. Every time I do this test, every time I do this test, it's more scary than the last time, you guys. But we're gonna try our best and see what happens. I'm scared. Let me get in a position where I can run if a fire breaks out. Ah! Okay, hold on. Okay, we got a little ash. I didn't let it burn too much because last time I got really scared, but let's do it again. We got some ash. I need enough ash to actually show you guys. Let's see. Yeah! Okay guys. Whew. Oh, wait, huh? We got ash. We got ash. Look at that. We got ash. Oh my goodness. We actually got ash. I'm not gonna lie, you guys. I'm surprised. I am surprised because like when I see jet black hair and then a company that sells 40 inches and up, all the way up to 50 inches, I'm like, that's like, how many women out there have 50-inch hair? Like that's like a, you know, a light bulb or whatever goes off in my head. But we got ash. You guys saw it. You saw it. So I'm excited to play with this wig. So I don't know. I'm happy with it. I'm happy that I don't know. I don't know, you guys. I'm happy that it's ash. I'm happy it's real. It's short. Well, it's not short, but it's shorter than what I ordered, but it's real. I don't know. I don't know, you guys. So either way, you got the truth here. You got it. And it's $200. A 40-inch for $200. Glueless wig. It's a nice thickness. It says 300% density. I'm happy. I'm happy. Of course, I'm going to install this wig and come back with an updated review, but okay. We're working with something here. I'm excited, you guys. Of course, I'm going to link this wig in the description box. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany. And thank you all so much for watching. Have a great day, you guys. Bye.